Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the overexposure filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the effect. Suppose you can't see the effect here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for overexposure. Okay, the first one with 146 million videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, in your For You page on the top right you will see this search button. Just tap, then search for overexposure filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there and you can access the filter, or you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. Tap there. Okay, you'll be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen.
You can tell Jesus.
Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this overexposure filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.